Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss the most important theory question that you need to cover up under the subject Customer Relationship Management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V student. So in this video, we are basically going to talk about two aspects. First, what are the long answers that you need to cover up from each module? And thereafter, what are the important short notes that you need to cover up from the entire syllabus? So we'll first start with module wise long answer breakup. Okay, chalo, let us start. Okay, under module 1, features of CRM, or that is customer relationship management, number 1. Second, explain the challenges and barriers in implementing CRM. Next, define CRM and explain its component in detail. Very important answer. Next, explain the evolution of customer relationship. Next, what are the objectives of CRM? Okay, and lastly, define CRM with its need and importance. So these are the first set of questions under module 1. You all can go through it once. Okay. Along with this, the last set of questions under module 1, explain the benefit of CRM to customers as well as organization. So the need and importance is the same answer, but they can ask you, see, when they ask you need and importance, you need to show both, and otherwise they can even ask you in this separate manner. Okay, next, what do you mean by CRM and what are the types? Define CRM and explain the different profitability segment, very important answer. Then explain SLA and what are the main elements of service level agreement, or that is good SLA. Write on note on SLA with components. Next, what is relationship marketing management, and explain the various relationship development strategies. And lastly, explain the 4 quadrants of customers with suitable example. Now this 4 quadrant is nothing but the same answer, different profitability segments, but different way they have asked the question. Okay, there are 2 different questions for the same answer. So these are all the questions that you need to cover up under module 1. You can go through it once. Okay, next, under module 2, here are the first set of questions. Explain the concept of cross-selling and upselling, very important. Or you can even be asked, explain the difference between upselling and cross-selling with suitable example. Next, what do you mean by brand switching and the reason for the same? Next, explain customer retention and write in detail about the need for customer retention, that's need and importance. Or they can ask you what is customer retention and different method to improve customer retention. In this module, they can even ask you certain concepts like explain what is customer retention, what is personalization, what is cross-selling. Multiple topics can be asked as concept. They can even ask you what are the concept of event-based marketing and web-based self-service. Next question is what is call center and different technologies used in call center, very important topic. These are the first set of questions under module 2. You can go through it once. Okay, next, under module 2, explain the components of call center. Next, you can have what is called routing and different types of routing techniques. Next is all the data related. What is data, types of data. Explain the planning and getting information quality. Write in detail about the types of data analysis. Explain identifying data quality issues. Or they can even ask you concept of what is called scripting, event-based marketing, what is data reporting and event-based marketing. Okay, that's been repeated. So these are the remaining questions that you need to cover up under module 2. You all can go through it once. Next, module 3, explain CRM strategy cycle and what are the objectives of CRM strategy. Next, what are the complexity of CRM strategies? Write in detail about the steps for implementing a CRM program. What is customer segmentation and its role in effective implementation of CRM? First set of questions under module 3. Next, explain service gap model, discuss the strategies to fill the service gap, so they come under the same topic. Explain the concept of knowledge management, what is customer value, explain salesforce automation with suitable example, and lastly discuss the profit chain in CRM. Very important answer. Next is module 4. Okay, explain the features of eCRM and elaborate on the advantages and limitation of eCRM. Explain the software app for customer service. Explain MCRM and discuss its advantages and challenges. And bring out the relevance of 3 E's in CRM. Okay, very important topics. You all can go through it once. These are the first set of topics under module 4. Okay, next, the last set of questions for all the long answers under module 4. What are the recent trends in CRM? What is mobile CRM, or what are the steps in implementation of mobile CRM? What are the ethical issues in CRM? And discuss the privacy issues in CRM and the solution for the same. Okay, so these are all the long answers that you need to cover up under each module. Very important from the exam point of view. Now let us go towards the short notes. Here are the first set of short notes. There are only 2 sets of short notes that you need to cover up. Number 1, queuing and routing, features of eCRM, contract management, opportunities for CRM, steps in implementation of mobile CRM, customer value management, data reporting, customer turnover, call routing, call scripting. These are the first set of short notes. You can go through it once. Okay, and the last, global CRM, benefit of eCRM, different levels of eCRM, inbound and outbound communication management, mobile CRM, email response management system, CRM challenges, social networking in CRM, ethical issues in CRM, and recent trends in CRM. So these are all the short notes which you all had to cover up for this particular paper. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have noted down all the long answer questions and the short notes. So with that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.